Siptharani. This video tries to provide you degrees of comparison and examples. We find this lesson in Grade 8 textbook, Unit 5, Between the Miles. Degrees of comparison. Today, I would like to introduce you all to Nimal's family. Nimal has a big family. He lives with his grandfather, grandmother, father, mother, sister, and baby brother. The oldest member of the family is Nimal's grandfather, and the youngest member is Nimal's baby brother. The tallest member of the family is Nimal's father. Nimal's sister Tilini is shorter than Nimal, but the shortest member is Nimal's baby brother. They all live happily in a very beautiful village. Yes, this is Nimal's family. Now students, all of you focus on the highlighted words. The highlighted words are oldest, youngest, tallest, shorter, shortest, happily. These adjectives are used to describe a person, a place, or a thing. Let's see the first example. The word oldest describes about Nimal's grandfather. Let's see the second picture. The word youngest describes about Nimal's baby brother. Right, these are the highlighted words. Oldest, youngest, tallest, shorter, beautiful, big, happily. Now let's see, what are these highlighted words? The above words used to describe a person, place, or thing. Or they are used to compare with one another. Now see, we can see there are two animals. Now all of you look carefully and tell me, who is the small animal? Yes, very good. A goat. Now look carefully and tell me, who is the big animal? Yes, very good. The cow. Now we can compare these two animals with one another. We can compare it like this. The cow is bigger than the goat. The cow is bigger than the goat. හරකා එළුවාට වඩා විශාලයි. හරකා එළුවාට වඩා විශාලයි. We are comparing the two animals. Let's move on to the next picture. We are very familiar with these two trees. The first one is a banana tree, and the second tree is a mango tree. Now look carefully and tell me, what is the tall tree? What is the tall tree? Yes, a mango tree. And now look at the pictures and tell me, what is the short tree? Yes, that is banana tree. Very good, all of you. Now we can write it like this. The banana tree is shorter than the mango tree. The banana tree is shorter than the mango tree. We have used the adjective shorter to compare the two trees. So, here we have used the comparative degree of adjectives. What is it? Let's move on to the pictures. In the first picture, there are two boys. a tall boy and a taller boy. We are comparing their height. And let's see the second picture. We can see an abacus and a calculator. Yes, we all know the abacus is useful, but calculator is more useful. So, the comparative degree is used to compare two objects, people, or places. Let's see how the comparative degree is formed. We are adding ER to short words like clean. We are adding ER to the end of the word. Examples: cleaner, stronger, taller, thinner, older, uglier, stronger, funnier, smaller. By adding ER, we can change the meaning. And the next one is the comparative degree of adjectives. We are adding the word more to the long words. Long words means it has more than 6 letters in a word. Let's take the word beautiful. Let's count how many letters are there. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yes, the word beautiful has 9 letters. So, for the words which has more than 6 letters, we are adding more to the beginning of the letter of the word, and we are changing the meaning of it. Right, the next slide we can see 3 animals. Who are they? The first picture we can see a goat. In the second picture we can see a cow. And in the third picture we can see an elephant. Now look carefully and tell me, who is the smallest animal? Yes, a goat. Now tell me, who is the biggest animal? Yes, the elephant. Now look very carefully and tell me, who is bigger than the cow? හරකට වඩා විශාල සතා කවුද? Who is bigger than the cow? Yes, the answer is elephant. So here we use the word big, bigger and biggest. Right, what is this? We can see 3 trees. The first tree is a banana tree, the second tree is a mango tree, and the third tree is a coconut tree. Look carefully and tell me, what is the shortest tree? A banana tree. What is the tallest tree? උසම ගස කුමක්ද? Yes, it is the coconut tree. And tell me, what is taller than the mango tree? අප ගසට වඩා උස ගස මොකක්ද? Yes, the answer is the coconut tree. Here we can use the adjective tall, taller, and tallest. Now we all can see 3 happy children, Kavishka, Sanulya and Janit. They have got their English marks. Kavishka got 72% for his English test. Sanulya got 84% and Janit got 98%. They all are happy. Their marks are higher, and the highest is Janit. Now, let's see, what is this superlative degree? The superlative degree is referred to the greatest degree of adjective. It is used to compare more than 3 things: objects, people, or places. Let's see how it is formed. As before, here we are using EST to the end of an adjective. Let's see the examples. Strongest, shortest, longest, ugliest, funniest, cleverest, tallest. And we are adding most to the long words. We have learned it before. The long words have more than 6 letters. The examples are most useful, most modern, most beautiful, most famous. Here are some examples. All read it together. Happy, happier, happiest. Good, better, the best. Useful, more useful, the most useful. Young, younger, the youngest. Sweet, sweeter, the sweetest. Hot, hotter, the hottest. Here are some examples of positive, comparative, and superlative adjectives. In red, we can see the short words, and we can create comparative by adding ER, and we can create superlative by adding EST. And look carefully, the words are in green. Happy, pretty, busy. Now look at the last letter of happy, pretty, and busy. Yes, what is the last letter? It is Y. So when we are creating comparative degree of adjective, we have to add ER, and for the letter Y, we have to add I. So, happy, when we are creating the comparative, we have to add I, ER. And when we are creating superlative, we have to add I, EST. Let's read the examples. Happy, happier, happiest. Pretty, prettier, prettiest. Busy, busier, busiest. And the examples in blue. What are they? Yes. Tangled, important, expensive. These words have more than 6 letters. Yes. Now you all can remember, when we are creating the comparative, we are adding more. And we are creating the superlative, we are adding most. Very good. Now, there are some special words. There are some adjectives do not form the comparative and superlative form from their positives. They have irregular degree of comparison. The following are the examples. Shall we read the examples? Yes. The first one, good, better, best. Bad, worse, worst. Little, less, least. Much, more, most. Far, further, furthest. Right. Now, in your Pupils book, in page number 55 and 56, you can find this lesson. Go through it very carefully. I'll give you a small exercise. Now look at this one. Read this interesting story about 3 cats and a monkey. And you have to read this one very carefully and answer the following questions. Right. Let's read the story. Let's read the story. Very good. Now you have to answer the questions carefully. Thank you and have a nice day.